I really want to. Oh shit. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video I am going to unbox this sugar box which I have received like 4 or 5 days ago, and I was in Delhi, so I came back home yesterday and I was like, I have to unbox this, and then I controlled myself and I thought I will unbox this in front of you guys. So this is a proper unboxing video, and the sugar box is a fashion, lifestyle and beauty subscription box, and in this box you get 7 to 8 full-size products. So this edition is currently priced at Rs.1899, but this is worth Rs.4000, and if you want yearly plan that will cost you 1199 only. I'm definitely going to mention the link of this box down in my description box below, so make sure you check that out. And I really love surprises, so I'm definitely going to see what I've got in this because I really can't control myself. So let's get started with the video and let's unbox this. This is the color burst edition. Okay, so the first thing I got is something in fashion. I think this is a clothing piece, a dress or top. This is a jumpsuit, you guys. I'm definitely going to wear this and show you how it looks. This is a jumpsuit. So yeah, the first thing I received is a jumpsuit, and this one retails for Rs.1050. First of all, the quality looks really good and the material is very soft. So the second thing I see in this box is a holographic zipper. Like, look at that. So pretty. It's really big, by the way, and I really like the green color. The stickers are really pretty. It comes with a straw, and this one retails for Rs.500. So the next thing I got is a treat by triplets, and if I eat this now, my brother is going to kill me. So I'm definitely going to share this with my brother. And this one I think retails for Rs.50. So the next thing I received is this one. This is a body and a face gel scrub. This is by Dr. Rachel. And this is, by the way, a big packaging, so I really like it. I really want to smell this. The color looks a little bit odd. Oh my god, it smells really good and it looks like this, so I'm definitely going to try this out really soon. So the next thing I see is a baseball cap. Really nice. It has French fries and fries written, and it's really good. One retails for Rs.500, and this is made in Korea, I guess. Yeah, this is made in Korea and it is 100% cotton. I really like the color. So the next thing I got is 5-in-1 necklace, and oh my god, I love this. It has star, it has strawberry, a big star, flower and another flower. It's really pretty, and this one retails for Rs.399. It's really cute. I love this. And the last thing in this box I have got is the drama bag, and it looks quite good. It comes with a zipper inside. Quality seems to be good. So the price for this is 1250. So really like the shade as well, brown and navy blue. So by the way, I have received 7 full-size products in this subscription box, and I really like all of them. So yeah, I'm definitely going to mention the link in my description box below. I would definitely recommend this subscription box because I personally loved it, and I will definitely see if this works for my body and face because this is a huge packaging and it's really good for the price. I think it's really good, and I really love all the products I have received in this box. So yeah, I'm definitely going to recommend this. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys find this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I hope to see you guys on the next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Bye guys.